Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here, and welcome to my old small man cave. But this is the man cave that I love the most. This is home. So welcome back, and let me give you a very quick update about what is happening, what is going on, where are we. Of course, I just told you where we are. We are back home, the source of radio control product, the hobby products. This is where I'll be able to bring you more quality review. And yes, of course, we'll get back to FPV. Actually, can't wait to get back to FPV. I have my old quad hanging up there. I'll give you a quick look very soon. I have some new quads coming. My Skyzone Theer, the fastest FPV plane, is ready. So first off, let me give you a quick tour of this little man cave. Alright, and then we'll talk about the updates. We'll talk about what is coming next on my channel. Nothing much. I have just changed the settings in my room. I moved my computer here. This wall is as usual. It's going to hang my models there, RC models. So far there isn't much. My two face huggers are 3D printed face huggers are there, and FPV wings are there. Skyzone Theer, I actually burned the ESC while I flew it last time in Dubai, in the desert, but now it's back in action. I replaced the ESC and I can't wait to get this baby out. I've just got my new batteries that I ordered. They are charging. These are 1500 milliamp, more than enough. 65C4S, more than enough for this plane. I also got batteries for my big helicopters. So yes, this plane is going in the air soon, and I'll be back to FPV. After that, forget about the Valkyrie junk helicopter. I have my Copis one, and another similar size of FPV drone is coming very soon. You have watched the video of this Eachine E500. I am going to set it with an FPV system that I have just ordered. Let me show you where is it. So this is what I'm going to use. This is the newest Eachine DVR03 all-in-one FPV camera system. So that is a 4-in-1. I'm gonna make a review of it very soon, so you can all see it. Inside are 3 of them, but I know which one is the DVR03. It's this one, just this little unit. It is all-in-one FPV system with a built-in DVR that will record 720p HD videos. Well, more than enough for smaller models that cannot take or carry more payload. This is going to be more than enough and will record some good video at the same time. So a review of this one is coming very soon. My Fast Devil 505 is hanging on the door at the moment. I haven't found the proper place. I'm probably gonna 3D print something to hang these helicopters. 420 is hanging here on the wall. My one of my charger is still in the sea, in transit back to us in luggage that we have sent by sea. But I have my ISDT D2 here, and I do have an ISDT T6 Lite, new one that I can use to charge more batteries. And of course, I also got my new 3D printer, Jgaurora or Jgaurora. I have no idea how to pronounce this name, but forget about the name. The printer does not need any assembly, just need to put the bed and the tower together with 2 screws, and after that it prints right away. Very nice 3D prints. So a complete review of this coming very soon. This printer has been busy for a couple of days printing a lot of things. Including these little test models. My trusted little models that I never lose are here. My little race bike. This race bike is discontinued. It's not available anymore. My Devastator rock crawler and PRC QX4 rock crawler with the sound system. 2 little QB robots. My radios. And new boat. More boats are coming. Yes, more boats are coming because we are living by the river. So more boat reviews are coming very, very soon. After that, you will also see a review of this Decker type mini desktop laser engraver. It's funny how it works actually, but it does work. It does print, it does engrave with the laser like this. You can see we have engraved our logo and we wrote Hadi and Arish name as well. So basically this little engraver you can use to engrave your logos or stuff on various materials. Sitting right here is a Kogo brick factory, or brick story, sorry. I bought these off Banggood. You can watch the link in the video description. A lot of Lego arrived, very cheap but pretty good quality, and kids are busy. At the moment Arish is making his own video. Yes, I am getting Arish to do his own videos now. So he's doing his own video series. And you're done? Awesome. So why don't you stop the camera? It's still recording. It's recording you're playing as well, right?
Yeah.
So Arish was shooting a time lapse of his build for his Lego. All right. Mommy is ready. All right. Drive carefully. Your new car. All right. So this is how I'm involving Arish to do his own videos. He has his own camera, and I will also give him the E-light. Of course, I will teach him how to use it, and he will be able to do his own videos. So very, very soon you will be watching a Kogo brick story, complete time-lapse build of various models by...
And this is my camera.
Arish Ali, yes, and this is his camera, and this is his camera as well. Well, so this is not it. There is much more to come. Many more models are on their way. Many more orders are on their way to me. It's going to be Chinese New Year, so things will stop moving, but I have ordered enough to keep me busy throughout these holidays here in China. Wait a minute. Did I show you my new car? Drive carefully, okay? Which one is Baba's key? Check out my 3D printed keychain holder. Alright, the key, and the remote. So many things to carry. My car is here. Yes, last night I took your car out from the garage and parked mine in. Check out, this is Mariam's new car, Citroen C3 XR. Isn't it amazing? This is her very first brand new car. Do you like it?
Yes, I
You love it?
Thank you.
And you have to. You love mommy's car too, so drive carefully, mommy. Where are you going today?
But
Mommy is going to do something about
this car
Baba's
really
driver's
big.
license. This car is really big?
Yeah, it's really big.
So,
I can run that.
alright, let me show you Baba's car. So, where is Baba's car?
there.
It's there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Behold. Dun, 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 dun. This garage door is extremely slow.
We are ready to go, it's about to get wicked.
I would extend very warm wishes, best wishes to all Chinese people for the Chinese New Year inside China and around the world. And of course, non-Chinese who also celebrate, like us, who also celebrate Chinese New Year, Happy New Year to us and to all of them as well. Come on! you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.